week we looked at the carat weight, and this week we will be looking at the finer details of your clarity. Now, to start off with your clarity, sometimes we are lucky and get a diamond with no inclusions, and we call that the internally flawless. But as we all know, it does come from Mother Nature, so it does tend to go a bit down and give you a couple of inclusions. Now, what I've heard in my years of experience is that people usually say that the diamond is not inclusion, it's a flaw or a failure in your diamond. But I say no to that, because each inclusion is unique to your diamond. Now, when you're looking at inclusion, we use a loupe. That there is 10 times magnification. And as we go down our list over here, you see VVS and VS. That stands for very, very small inclusions and very small inclusions. Now, that will be very hard to detect with the 10 times magnifications, but with the right and proper training, you will be able to see it. But as you go down to SI, that stands for small inclusions, that you will be able to see clearer with the loupe as a black dot or a scratch, or maybe it's a crystallized diamond within your diamond. And here at the eye, you will be able to see the inclusion clearly, but not from afar. Not, I highly doubt it if you have an I1 diamond and the inclusion is on the top, that someone will just come, grab your hand and have a look at it. You will not react kindly to that. So, if you don't want to see the inclusion, but you have to go down the scale a bit to make the diamond a bit cheaper, so what I suggest for you is look for a diamond with an inclusion at the bottom, and then you can find yourself an expert jeweler or come see us, and we will guide you to make the perfect setting for your diamond to see the least of your inclusion. And that's all you need to know for your clarity. I will see you back next week for the rest of the technical details. Please like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.